Ang taong alipin sa opinyon ng iba, hindi kailanman magiging hari ng buhay niya. Nagpapabaog ka sa opinyon ng ibang tao. Isang salita lang, nagdadalawang isip ka na. Isang opinyon lang, biglang nawawala tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Isang pintas lang, parang gusto mo na magtago. Pero bakit parang kahit anong gawin mo, lagi may boses sa utak na nagsasabing, tama ba to? Baka pagtawanan nila ako. Paano kung sublay? Madalas di natin pansin pero kontrolado tayo, hindi ng gobyerno, hindi ng sistema, pero sa takot ng sasabihin ng iba. Pero alam mo yung mas nakakatakot, bro, yung magising ka isang araw, matanda ka na at wala kang ibang nagawa kundi sumunod sa mga bagay na di mo naman gusto sundan. Brother, you have to understand, many people are slaves. Not to money, not to a job, but to something far worse called validation. They move based on what other people think. They speak based on what others might say. They hide their true selves para lang hindi ma-judge. But here's the truth. If you live for praise, you will die from criticism. If other people's opinions can build you up, they can just as easily tear you down. And if you don't break free from this trap, you will never be your own man. Alam mo kung bakit ang hirap tanggalin tong mindset na to sa atin? Simula kasi nung bata tayo, tinuturuan na tayo maging masunurin eh. Oh, magmano ka para di sabihing bastos ka. Huwag ka masyadong maingay, nakakahiya. Uy anak, dapat top 1 ka para ipagmalaki ka namin. Napansin mo ba? Since childhood, we were programmed to seek validation. Sumunod ka, may reward. Lumihis ka naman, may parusa. Kaya ngayong matanda ka na, kahit wala ng ibang nakakahawak sa tali, ikaw na mismo humahawak nung tali. Every time you stop yourself from taking a risk, from speaking the truth, from leveling up, it's because you're still that little boy deep inside na takot sa opinion ng ibang tao. Kahit wala na nagsasabi, ikaw na mismo yung bumubulong sa sarili mo ng baka malito, baka pagtawanan nila ako, baka isipin nilang bobo ako. And alam mo, gusto ng mundo yung mga lalaking ganito, mga lalaking takot. Why? Because a man who fears judgment is easy to manipulate. A man who avoids rejection is easy to control. And a man who cares too much about opinions never takes risks. So anong resulta? You don't question, you don't take action, you don't build confidence, you don't chase your dreams. Tahimik ka lang, sunod-sunuran at walang sariling isip. Kung gusto mong lumaya bro, simple lang naman solusyon dyan. Unang-una, stop chasing praise. Most people think they only care about criticism. Sasabihin nila, I don't care what haters say. Pero sinungaling yun. That's a lie. The only reason you care about criticism is because you're addicted to praise. Isipin mo, if someone's approval makes you feel good, then their disapproval will break you down. Two sides shut to the same coin. The moment you give weight to someone's words, you give them power over you. Let me say that again. The moment you let someone's words define you, you become their prisoner. The guy who's scared of being called stupid is the same guy who craves being called smart. The dude who's terrified of rejection is the same dude chasing validation from women. Always remember, a strong man doesn't care if people call him a genius or an idiot. Pangalawa, stop defining yourself by what other people think. Lahat tayo gustong malabel na matalino, magaling, successful. Pero yung problema, kapag sobrang kinapitan mo yan, buong buhay mo, tingin mo pag ma-achieve mo yung label na yun, makukuha mo yung validation ng ibang tao. Kaya ang daming tao na fake. Puro yabang, puro virtue signal. Kasi takot sila mawala label nila. Think about it this way, bro. Society conditions you like a dog. They give you a treat when you obey and they take it away when you don't. And many men wonder why they feel trapped. It's because you were never taught how to think for yourself. Instead, naging isa kang approval junkie. You chase likes, compliments, yung applause ng ibang tao. Just look around you. Many men are afraid to speak their mind because social media might cancel them. Many men are scared to leave toxic relationships because people are gonna say, sayang naman. Many men waste their lives trying to avoid judgment pero yung tunay na malaya, walang kailangan patunayan kahit kanino. Pangatlo, make your own scoreboard. Ang problema kasi, ang basehan mo ng success is sila. Kailangan kong magkapera kasi dapat makita nilang successful ako. Kailangan kong mag-gym kasi baka sabihin nilang lampa ako. Kailangan kong mag-invest kasi uso yun. Kailangan kong makasabay sa mga tao. Bullshit. You will never be free if you measure yourself using someone else's ruler. Yung tunay na scoreboard is yung ikaw yung nagde-decide kung panalo ka o hindi. Ito lang naman yung kailangan mo tanong eh. Did I grow today? Did I execute my plan? Am I better than yesterday? The world's scoreboard doesn't matter. Bro, tandaan mo to. The strongest man isn't the richest man, nor is he the most famous man. He's not the guy everyone praises and approves of. The strongest man is a man that doesn't fear opinions, doesn't seek approval, and does what he wants regardless of who doubts him.